My name is Shahnewaz Siddiquee, and I am a first-year PhD student at Siddiquee in MaREI Center, UCC. My supervisor is Dr. Dominic O'Sullivan. This poster, entitled Demand Response in Smart Grid Applications, Opportunities, Challenges, and Future Direction. In this study, I used a systematic mapping strategy to identify the research trends in demand response domain. A multiple correspondence analysis-based keyword mapping is done to identify the emerging research theme in the domain. Relevant literature review under each identified research domain showed most addressing research questions under each domain. All the data has been collected from Scopus database using different search terms that is relevant to demand response research, and the data has been filtered using proper filtration criteria. This figure represents the identified research theme under demand response domain. Each of these clusters represent one of the research theme, and each of the clusters are being identified using multiple correspondence analysis, which takes the keyword found in the literature and from this cluster, which represents a research area or a research theme under the demand response domain. Currently, the demand response research are revolving around these 6 identified research themes, namely smart homes or residential DR, DR application in grid energy management, DR application using direct load control, ancillary services that are being performed through DR, energy market structure and energy market schemes for DR, and smart metering applications of DR. From my initial review, I was able to identify the challenges and the barrier in DR applications. Currently, there is a lack of market mechanism that is impacting the widespread DR adoption. Regulatory and policy barriers in each of the countries are also blocking the way of mass DR deployment. We have to look for suitable business model that can cater the utility operators and also the end user to adopt the DR programs. End user behavior is also a key factor in successfully implementing the DR applications. Technology and infrastructure modernization plays a key role in successful application of DR. In coming days, there are a lot of future research opportunity for demand response applications in a smart grid. Even though we have a lot of research going on in residential demand response, we have to evaluate the potential of industrial demand flexibility. Since industries are a big entity in the whole power and energy ecosystem, implementing demand response program can be very beneficial for the utility operators and the industry owners, and it can also greatly impact the energy resiliency in the future smart grid scenario. If you want to know more about my research, please email me for the full copy of the published paper. Thank you.